Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS dashboard. In this tutorial, we show you how to adjust the appearance of the kiosk. First, click on Self-Service. Then go to Sales Channels. You are now in the overview of your sales channels. To adjust the settings, use the edit icon of the corresponding sales channel. To manage the fulfillment options, use the respective sliders. Note, one option will always be activated. Then select the languages for the sales channel by using the corresponding drop-down menu. You can assign multiple languages to the sales channel. Do so by selecting the languages from the menu. Afterward, select the default language through the corresponding drop-down menu. To manage the content of the sales channel, click on Content. In the Content section, you now can create a welcome text. Do so by using the corresponding text field. To set colors and images for the web shop, go to the Appearance section. The primary color can be adjusted by using the corresponding field. To adjust the product image style, use the respective drop-down menu and select your preferred depiction. To upload a logo, use the designated area to drag and drop your file there, or click on Browse to search through your system for the file. Note, the maximum size of the uploaded file is 1 MB. You can also add media for different areas on your web shop, such as a welcome image, success image, error image, and menu header image. Then go to Opening Hours to set up the standard hours of your kiosk. Click on the drop-down menu and select the preset time. Once you are done, click on Save to apply the changes. Back in the overview, you can access your kiosk by using the corresponding URL and see the effect of the changes. This is how your kiosk can look like once you set up the settings for it. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to adjust the appearance of the kiosk.